This is a very tricky calculation question for sound, but once you know the trick, it will be very easy. So let's learn this together. The answer to this question is C, and let's see how we can get the answer. Now, this is the critical part. This is number 4 intervals. Read carefully. The echo of the first clap coincides with the 5th clap. This means that when the person first clap, this sound travels somewhere and gets reflected back, and therefore this requires time. The challenge of this question is to figure out how much time is between the first clap and the 5th clap. Alright, so how much time is between first clap and 5th clap? Therefore, there are actually 4 intervals between 5 claps. And why is the number of interval, which is the time between the claps, how is the number of intervals 1 lesser than the 5 clap? You can just model this out. Just try it out. If you have to clap 5 times, there will be 4 intervals between your claps. So I'm going to try doing this. I'm going to clap 5 times, and in between the claps, I will say out interval to represent the timing that is in between the claps. And as you're listening to me, you go and count the number of times I say interval. Let's try this. So I'll clap 5 times, and I'll say intervals in between. So ready, go. Interval, 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 interval. 5th clap. How many times did I say interval? Play back the video if you need. 4 intervals. So when you have to clap 5 times, there will be 4 timing in between, 4 intervals. And if you know that the interval between the claps is 1.2 seconds, so 4 interval means the sound wave for the first clap takes 4.8 seconds to go somewhere and gets reflected back. So once you know this, then put in the standard distance equals to speed times time formula to get the distance. Just be careful that the distance that you calculated here is 2d, meaning that the sound wave must travel to a particular distance, a d perhaps, and then travel back the same d. That's why it's 2d. That's how you can get 816 meters.